you today. Basically today we're gonna do a pinup girl makeup look. It's a very wearable type of makeup look, which is very fun to do, and it's really easy. It doesn't require you so much of products. Basically, it's all about the eyeliner, the red lips, and high arch brows. And of course, dramatic mascara will do, eyelashes. If you have extensions, perfect, because it's very easy to do when you already have extensions. So all you need is just basic nude eyeshadows, your red lipstick, eyeliner, and mascara, and basically that's it. And of course, if you want to complete the whole ensemble, wear a plaid and something like this, like a bandana, which is very common for
Okay, so
girl
for this
makeup look. What we're going to use is, again, this one is the Sephora makeup palette, because this one's really easy to use. It's a pro lesson palette. It's smoky eyes, because this contains the nude color that we will need for this makeup look. So this is how it is. It actually comes with a little bit of sample makeup looks like that. It's like a tutorial for you. All we will need actually is this color right here. Yeah, this one, which is going to be for the crease. And we will need the black color right here. That one is for the eyeliner area. And this one is going to be the highlighter for our brow bone. These two, we're going to mix that together as a highlighter. And then, I'm also going to use this one right here. It's actually the Sephora Contour Palette. What I will do is I will actually use this one right here. This one is the matte color. I know it's for contour, but it's really good to do the contour for a cut crease, because I have hooded eyelids. So for hooded eyelid, you have to create an illusion that you have deep set eyes. So what you're going to do is you're going to do some contours right here. You have to put highlights, so this one is gonna be protruding, and at the crease side you're going to put darker color, and you're going to diffuse it a little bit, so you will actually have the illusion if you have a deeper set eyes. And of course on the lids, we're going to put something that is going to be highlighted as well, so it's going to protrude a little bit. So I'm going to use these two later on for the eyelids, and also I'm going to use my highlighting eyeshadow like this right here for the eyelids, and so as the inner corner of the eye. And of course for the lips, it's not complete makeup look. Peanut girl makeup look is not complete if you don't have a red lipstick. So it's a very basic red lipstick, which is in matte finish. It's from Sephora. It's #1. And of course, mascara. For me, I have very sparse and very short eyelashes, so I need those duo kind of mascara, which is, it contains the volumizing and the lengthening. So that's about it that we will use for today's makeup look. So again, if you want to know how to do this pinup girl makeup look, just keep watching. This is Lindsay. Lansing, ching ching. Okay, so for this one, I have already done the other eye. So I'm just gonna show you how to apply this eyeshadow, and I'm gonna take this concealer. If you have eyeshadow base, that's perfect, because I've run out of it. So I'm just using a concealer right here. It's still going to let the eyeshadow adhere, or something to actually grab onto, and just spread it. And I have this shimmer eyeshadow stick. I'm gonna use it also as a base for this makeup look. I'm also placing a little bit under the eye, just at the outer corner. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use my finger to blend it. That's the easier way to actually blend any cream base for your eyes. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and take this two highlighting colors. It's on matte color from the Sephora Contour Palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and place that on my eyelids. So I have hooded eyes, so my eyelids are really small space, tiny space right there. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a small cut crease there to give that illusion of a deeper set
eye socket. So I just gonna go ahead and take that dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna go ahead and just place it on my crease using a crease brush, but just a little bit on the brow bone side, and take a fluffy brush and just go ahead and blend that out. And then go ahead and take this one. It's the slightly lighter color in the contour palette, and it's in matte finish, and just blend it together with the dark brown eyeshadow that we used earlier on, and place a little bit on under your eyes as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and take this eyeshadow, which is in pink color. It's a little bit shimmery. We're gonna take this one and place it on our lid. I'm just gonna use my finger because it's easier to actually pat it on. As you can see, I'm just going a little bit above my eyelids. It's actually on the crease itself already. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the crease brush and just clean it a little bit. So you can see there's a cut crease down there. It's not so defined, but that's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this black eyeliner and line your lash line. Make sure that you draw just so near on your lash line. And I also wing it a little bit, and I'm gonna take a small brush and take some black eyeshadow. I love this eyeshadow because it's really jet black, and it doesn't have any grayish tone to it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this one and smudge that black eyeliner to give it that really nice defined black boldness down there on our eyelid. So it gives the illusion of a thicker eyelash. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take the one of the main ingredients, so to say. It's the black liquid eyeliner. So I'm just gonna go ahead and draw a wing slightly longer than your usual wing eyeliner. So make sure that it's really nice and defined, because this is actually a daily and wearable pinup girl look. So you don't want to go so long for the wing of your eyeline. There you go. I think that's right down there. I'm just checking whether it's balanced. Same with the other eye. So looks like I'm actually trying to adjust the other side as well. Right there. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just define it a little bit more, because this is one of the main aim that you want on a pinup girl makeup look. So sorry about that. I'm out of focus from the lens. I didn't notice that one. I was so busy just making sure that my eyeliner are balanced. Look at that. Now I realized it. All right. Looks like we're done right here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to move to the waterline. I'm just going to go ahead and take that pink shimmer eyeshadow and line my waterline with that. If you have a cream shimmer liner, that would be great, because it's easier. I ran out of that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this one, and I'm also putting a little bit on my tear duct. I need to go for some makeup shopping really soon. And with the same eyeshadow, I'm just going to apply it on my lower corner of my brows. What do you call that? Just above the crease. Okay, so it's like highlighting your brow bone. There you go, brow bone. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put the mascara base. So this is the lengthening part of it. As you notice, I never used any eyelash curler, because there's nothing to curl down there. It's really, really sparse and really short. So I need the help of mascara. So now after I let it dry a little bit, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply the volumizing part of the mascara, which is the black color. So you have to go and put at least 2 or 3 layers of this one. if you're just relying on your own eyelashes. But if you have false eyelashes and you want to use false eyelashes, just go ahead and put one layer of this mascara, so it's gonna combine your real lashes and the false eyelashes together. Don't forget to apply a little bit on the lower lash as well, but be careful not to poke your eyes. If you have extensions, that's perfect. It looks really amazing with this kind of pinup girl makeup look. Okay, one more thing, make sure that it doesn't look like spider legs. And we're done with the eyes. We're gonna move to the lips now. So I'm just gonna use this Sephora matte lipstick. I mean, liquid lipstick. This is one of my favorite liquid lipstick, and I actually love this one. I finished 4 tubes of this one because it's really easy and it suits my skin tone really well. So for this one, you actually have to go ahead and apply it just right on your lip line. If you have smaller lips, then you have to go above your original lip line and use a lip liner first before you fill in with the liquid lipstick. A normal lipstick, red lipstick, would do as well. Okay, so let's just go ahead and connect the upper and lower lip. And I'm just going to go ahead and fill up the center there. I love this red lipstick. And you also have to do a heart shape on the Cupid's bow. I'm just gonna take a tissue here to blot off excess oil to give it that full mattifying look. There you go. My tongue is failing me, oh my god. So that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Comment as well, and just let me know what makeup look you want next. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.